Hi everyone, I am Wafalangao and welcome you all in Grammar in Detail. Today we are going to discuss an important topic, how to change the imperative sentences from active voice into passive voice. Before starting it from active voice into passive voice, we actually need to know that what actually imperative sentences are. We have already discussed that kinds of sentence in detail. We will be discussing in kinds of sentence, but here we will learn actually what actually imperative sentences mean. Then we will be going towards the active and passive voice of the imperative sentences. What are the imperative sentences? Let's here discuss the definition of imperative sentences. Those sentences which contain command or order, where you command or order, or it can be a less command, it can be a request, suggestion, invitation, offer, advice, and prohibition are called imperative sentences. In imperative sentences, you'll be giving commands, less command, requests, you'll be suggesting someone, you'll be inviting, you'll be offering someone, you will advise someone, and in the same way, you will prohibit, means to stop someone doing something. That can be also an imperative sentence. Now, imperative sentences are sentences which have no any subject. Their subject is only you. First person always speak to the second person. Their subject is you. It is not written but only understood. As I told you, here we will not be learning the detail of imperative one by one. But here just we have got the passive voice topic, so we will little bit discuss about it, that actually what do we mean by command. Now the first usage of your imperative sentences, that is known as command. Now first look at the the simple sentence for the command, that is known as open the door. Now over there a command is being given to a person to do this work. In the same way, close the door, and definitely first person speaks to the second person, you open the door, you close the door. So here no need to discuss the subject you. It is already mentioned. If you are talking to someone, if you are addressing someone directly, saying that close the door, open the door, the listener himself or herself will get that I am being asked to close or open the door. In the same way, for formula for changing the imperative sentences, that is known as, in passive voice you will be having first let and then subject be, then third form, and then full stop. This is the simple formula for the passive sentences from active voice into passive voice. So let's have the sentences of command. I say open the door. The passive for that is let the door be opened. Close the door, let the door be closed. Second sentence is less command. Command is used when you have got fully authority, like 100% authority you have, and you are asking someone to do that action. Yes, and less command can be given by command can be given by the parents, by the owner, by the the one who has got the authority fully, like honor to the servant. And a less command is used by your teachers, it can be used by your elders, etc. Now suppose I say bring me a glass of water, that is less command. And in the same way, second sentence, read your books. Bring me a glass of water, passive for that is let a glass of water be brought. And read your books, let your books be read. After that we have got request. For making the sentences of request, first you need to use please with that, and then your sentences for request will be made. Yes, you'll say that please do my work, please let my work be done, please solve the sums, and please let the sums be solved. After that we have got suggestions. What is suggestion? When you suggest someone, when you guide someone by doing any action, suggest or guide. In our country, mostly in Pakistan, suggestions are given freely, or the fatwas are given freely. These are very common in our country. If you ask someone, I've got an addict, then he will have lot of tablets discussed. He himself is a doctor. Yes. In the same way, somehow our topic is suggestions, but some suggestions can be good. Like example we have here, Start a new business. Let a new business be started. Take admission in Real Academy. Let admission be taken in Real Academy. So this sentence is known as the sentence for suggestion. You are suggesting someone that don't do this and you have to do this and you have to take admission here and there, whatever. Yes, that is known as suggestion. Let's go for the next examples of the same. Next we have got that is known as invitation, when you invite someone, and the sixth one is offer. Let me clear the concept of invitation and offer for you people. Is now invitation is sort of asking someone to come for a short moment. For example, there can be a birthday party. It can be a birthday party, and it can be a marriage party, and it can be any sort of function which you are going to attend, or it can be a opening ceremony. Clear? So in these all short, the moment which is quite short, which can be of 2 hours, it may be of 10 hours, it may be of 5 hours, whatever, but that is not more than a day. That is known as invitation. Attend my brother's marriage party. This is what as you attended, enjoy the party, then you will leave it. And in the same way, join our function. So function can be of 10 to 12 hours, 10 hours, 8 hours, whatever, but that is too short period of time. For that you'll be using invitation. Attend my brother's marriage party, or you're going to change it into passive voice. Let my brother's marriage party be attended. Join our function. Let our function be joined. Okay, next we have got offer. Offer is what when you are asking someone for a long period of time. There you will not be having some of the moments, you will be having some long period of time. Like for example, we have got join my team. Now it does not mean you'll come for 1 day or 1 hour or etc., but you'll be joining it permanently as long as you want. Now for example, I say join my team, let my team be joined. Participate in is business, let is business be participated. And over there business you are going to participate, so over there you'll be taking time, and that may take you a month, 10 months, a year. Even if you have got good relations and good understanding with someone, that business may take 40 years, 12 years, 10 years, so whatever. Yes, last we have got advice. Advice can be given by our parents, by our teachers, or by our elders for our betterment. Now we have got obey your parents. Let your parents be obeyed. Over here this can be given by a teacher or by your elders. In the same way, respect your teachers. Let your teachers be respected. So these are the sentences of imperative sentences from active voice into passive voice. How you are going to change them. Let plus be, subject plus be plus third form of the verb, that will be the formula for the passive voice sentences in imperative sentences. Hope you got today's lecture. Wish you best of luck. Next topic we will be discussing, that is prohibition, and prohibition can come with all of them, that we will discuss in part 2 of the same lecture. Wish you best of luck. See you next time. Goodbye.